Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way to make a folder for your planner. Now this is something that will work on most bound planners. This could possibly work on a planner that has a plastic cover if you did want to put it on the cover, but for me I'm going to put it right inside of my Passion Planner. Okay, so what you're going to need to create a pocket folder is a piece of cardstock or paper, a ruler, a pencil, scissors, and also double-sided tape. So for this I just use the double-sided adhesive from Tombow. They sell a similar version of that at the dollar store if you're looking for something that is more budget friendly. So the first thing that you're going to do is measure how wide and how long you would like your pocket folder. The next thing that you're going to do is measure a 1/2 inch in on the left and the right hand side, and the 1/2 inch is going to give you enough space that you can use the double-sided adhesive without having it attached to anything that you're going to put inside of the pocket folder. After you've done your measurements, you're going to take your scissors and you are going to cut out your pocket folder. You can always go back and make this smaller if it is a little bit too large after you've cut it out and placed it on your planner without using the tape. So once you've cut out your pocket folder size, you are going to fold down on that 1/2 inch line and you are going to fold inward. So what this is going to do is create a little bit of give when you open the pocket folder, so you're able to put things in there without having it tear away from the page. Now Passion Planners do have a pocket folder that's located in the very back of the planner, but for me I wanted just to put something in the front that I can just keep a couple of important things in. So next you're going to take your double-sided adhesive or double-sided tape, and this is when you're going to go through and you're just going to put it on each side of the pocket, and then you're going to put it along the bottom edge as well. So the last thing that you're going to do is very carefully start from either the left or the right side, and you are going to press down the pocket folder so the double-sided adhesive lays flat on the paper. Now you just want to make sure that you get this right the first time, because double-sided adhesive is not very forgiving if you try to peel this up. So after you've completed that, your pocket is now done. You can definitely create more than one pocket folder in your planner if you choose to. For me, I'm just going to add one more sticker because I love stickers. And what I'm going to keep in this folder are just decorative stickers that I'm using for the current week. I like to decorate my planners every week with different washi tape and stickers that are normally different colors. So for me, I'm just going to focus on the current week and the colors that I'm using. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for this video. I hope that you found it helpful. Come say hi on Instagram. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. I post one video per week all about different planning, teaching, and organization. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye!